Hi, today let's make tasty mango rice paper roll. For this you need to take fresh mango, wash it and peel the skin and keep it aside. Now let's take the pulp and then slice it into thin slice like this and just keep it aside. Next, let's make our tasty coconut sauce. For this, add a coconut sauce in the saucepan and then add in a little bit of salt and sugar. So this sauce will be like sweet and salty, that kind. It will not be very sweet. Sweet and salty is the kind of taste which we are aiming at. Give it a good mix. Once it dissolves, let it cool and keep it aside. Trust me, this dessert will be done just in 5 minutes. You don't need any more time to prepare this. But this is a very different type of dish. Try this. For this you need next is a rice paper roll. The rice paper roll is easily available in any kind of supermarket. You need to take it and dip it in the water like this. It just takes 30 seconds to soften up. Just take it and place it on the countertop or on your chopping board. Slowly place the mango slices inside the rice paper roll and just wrap it up. There's no particular shape or anything which you need to aim here. Just see to that the mango is nicely intact, wrapped inside the rice paper roll. This is how I'm rolling, and just repeat the same thing for the remaining mango slices which you have done, and place it in a serving bowl or a serving tray, whichever you're trying to have it later. See, the same thing, I'm repeating it, I'm showing it so that you know it's better visible to see how I'm wrapping it up. That's it, done. Then what you need to do is place it and then pour in the tasty sweet and salty coconut sauce on top of this, and finally garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds. You can add in white or black, completely up to your choice. I had the white one, and relish it. Enjoy it cold or hot. Trust me, this is better than your mango sticky rice. Tastes better, very light on tummy, very low on calorie. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please note, I've written the measurement and the ingredients on the screen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.